guys, welcome to my nighttime routine. Come and follow along with me as I go to sleep. So once I'm done filming a video, I'll go ahead and turn off these huge hot lights. It is a hot box in there. And then I'll go straight to my room to get ready to party because I am ready to show off this makeup. Just kidding. I am team Netflix and chill all day, every day. What really happens is I go to my restroom and I take off my makeup, especially if it's late at night during the week like this. I'll go ahead and use a makeup wipe to remove all of my makeup. And it's really easy just to stop there and just go on with your life, but then I'd have crazy breakouts. So then I take off these lashes. Ugh, this is the best feeling ever. Ripping your lashes off is up there with like getting, I don't know, what is a good feeling? Like getting your back scratched or something. I don't know. It feels really, really good. And then I use a cleanser just to wash my face. So more recently, I have been using the KORRES Wild Rose 15% Vitamin C Spotless Serum. Yeah, that sounds like a huge mouthful, but it's actually amazing. So I feel like I have to say every little thing that is in here, because this formula has helped so much with my hyperpigmentation and my dark spots. It's cool because the top half is wild rose oil with 15% vitamin C, and that's going to help brighten and even out your skin tone. And then the bottom half is a very powerful dark spot removal, and that targets spots and hyperpigmentation. If you mix it together, it turns pink, which is super cute, and that's why it's like really fun to use. I've been using this for the past 14 days or so, and my skin has definitely brightened up, is more even, and there's less discoloration, which is amazing, and I cannot stop using this. I definitely use it every night. And I want to give a special thanks to KORRES for partnering up with me in this video. So once I'm done washing my face, I'll go ahead and change into some comfy clothes, and then I'll head over to eat some dinner with Jaden. Usually Caesar will be here too, which Caesar is actually here. He just does not want to be in the video. So he is filming us, but we are eating dinner. I'm just eating some Chipotle, keeping it pretty simple tonight. And then I'm taking Jaden to bed and saying goodnight. We usually pray and I read him a story. So I just kiss him goodnight, and then I go and have some me time. And what I like to do before I go to bed is drink some hot tea. So my favorite tea that I've been loving recently is this Bedtime Bliss chamomile tea. I can't even say that. Chamomile tea. It also has orange peel and mint in it. It's just super relaxing. I love having this before I go to bed, but definitely not before I watch my show, The Handmaid's Tale. I'm also looking for a new show to watch on Netflix, so if any of you guys know of any, comment down below so I can check it out, because I definitely need some new shows to watch. I love to binge watch, and right now I have like nothing to binge watch, but I do watch this show like religiously, and Jersey Shore. I know it's ratchet, but it's something that I really enjoy. I just wanna be me. If any of you guys spot some street signs in my house, that's Jaden's artwork. We just let him be creative. I think he's created his own little town in our house. But that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna head to bed. Thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight, and until the next video, good night.